Hello children, today we are going to start exercise 9.2. So question number 1, fill in the blanks with the word numerator or denominator. Number 1, in 2 upon 3, 2 is the, what is there 2? It is in above the bar, so it is known as a numerator. Now number 2, in 5 upon 6, 6 is below the bar, so it is 6 is a denominator. Now question number 2, write the numerator and denominator of each fraction. So fractions are given here 7 upon 8. So we have to identify it, which number is numerator and which number is denominator. So 7 is a numerator, 7 is above the bar. So we will write in numerator 7. Then 8 is below the bar, so it is a denominator. So we will write in denominator 8. Now next one, 9 upon 10. So 9 is above the bar, so it is a numerator. Then 10 is below the bar, so it is a denominator. Now next question. Question number 3, represent the given fractions on the number lines drawn below. So till now we have done the number line of whole numbers. Okay, so now we are going to do number line of fraction 6 upon 7. So always fraction will come between 0 and 1. Okay, so between 0 and 1 we have to make a fraction of 6 upon 7. So how we will make? We will not count 0. So here 6 means numerator means whatever parts taken away, okay, and denominator means total parts. So total how many parts are there? 7. So we will make it a 7 equal parts. So 0 we will not count, we will start from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 and we have to include this 1 also. Okay, it is a 7. So again I am repeating, we will not include 0, we will start from new 1 2 3 4 5 6 and we have to include 1. So it is a 7th part. Okay, how many denominator? In denominator which number is there, that much equal parts we have to separate and we have to include 1 also, not 0. Okay, now in numerator which number is there? 6. Now we have to place it on a number line. So here starting we will write 1 upon 7, then 2 upon 7, then 3 upon 7, then 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 6 upon 7. Here 7 upon 7, when both numerator and denominator are same there, then it will be 1. Okay, now we have to represent 6 upon 7. So where is 6 upon 7? This. So we have to circle it, 6 upon 7. Now number 2, 5 upon 9. So first we will write 0 and last we will write here 1. Now how many equal parts we have to distribute this? In 9 equal parts. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 then 9. So here we will write here 1 upon 9, 2 upon 9, 3 upon 9, 4 upon 9, 5 upon 9, 6 upon 9, 7 upon 9, 8 upon 9. Here we will write 9 upon 9. 9 upon 9 means 1. Okay, so now we have to represent 5 upon 9. So where is 5 upon 9? Here. So it is number line of 5 upon 9 fraction. Now question number 4, circle the fractions for 0, tick the fractions for 1. Okay, so in fractions are given, so we will get 0 answer, so means that is a fraction for 0. Now 4 upon 4, when numerator and denominator are same, so it will give a 1. So it will 4 upon 4 is a for 1 fraction, we will get 1. So we will write in 1 fraction 4 upon 4. Then next one is 2 upon 2. So here also the numerator and denominator are same, it means it will give 1. So we will write here 2 upon 2. Then 5 upon 5. Here also numerator and denominator are same. So it will give answer 1. So we will write it is for 1 fraction. So 5 upon 5. Now next one is 0 upon 3. Here numerator is 0, so we will write in for 0 fraction 0 upon 3. So 9 upon 9, here also same, numerator and denominator are same, so we will write in 1 for 1 fraction 9 upon 9. Now 0 upon 7, so it will fraction for 0, so 0 upon 7 we will write in for 0 fraction. Now 6 upon 6, it will be 1, so we will write in 1 fraction. Then again 0 upon 5, so we will write in 0 fraction. Now next question. Question number 5. Change each of the following fractions to simplest form. Here we have to make it in a simplest form. So number 1, 38 upon 50. So before we are making it into a simplest form, we will now first find out a HCF, means highest common factor. So first we will find HCF for 38. So here in ones place, which digit is there in 38? 8. So 8 is an even number, it is divisible by 2. So we will divide and see in 2 table when 8 will come, when 38 will come, 2 ones are 2, so 3 minus 2, 1. So this 8 we will carry down, it will become 18. So 2 nines are 18. So 2 19s are 38. Then 19 will not come in any table, it will come in 19 ones are 19. Okay. So now we will take out HCF for 50. So here in ones place 0 is there, so 0 is divisible by 2. So in 2 table when 50 will come, 2 ones are, 5 is there, so we will take 2 twos are 4. So 5 minus 4 we will get 1, and the 0 we will carry down, so it will become 10. So 2 5s are 10. So we will write 2 25s are 50. Then 25 will come in, will come in 3 table. In 4 table also it will not come. We will see direct in 5 table. 5 5s are 25. Then 5 ones are 5. So here we have to write the first factors for 38. The factors of 38 are 2 multiplied by 19. Then for 50, 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So here we have to find out the common factor. So common factor equal to only 2. Okay, so common factor we got 2. Now we will this 38 upon 50. This fraction we will now divided by 2 in numerator and denominator. So we will get the simplest form, means small number. So 38 upon 50 we will divide by 2 in both numerator and denominator to make it a small number. Simplest form means we have to make it in a small number. So when 38 divided by 2, so in 2 table when 38 will come, 2 19s. Okay. Then in 2 table when 50 will come, 2 25s. So it is our simplest form, 19 upon 25. So our answer is 19 upon 25. Now number 2, 4 upon 12. So first we will take out HCF for 4. So 4 will come in 2 table, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. Now for 12, 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. Then 3 1s are 3. So first we will write the factors for 4. 2 multiplied by 2. Now for 12, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Now we have to find out the common factors. So common factors are 2, 2. 2 multiplied by 2. So what we will get in common factor? 2 2s are 4. So now we will divide in numerator and denominator by 4 to make a simplest form. So 4 upon 12. In numerator also we will divide by 4, and in denominator also we will divide by 4. So when we are divide 4 by 4, so 4 ones are 4. So we will get answer 1. And in 4 table when 12 will come, 4 3s are 12. So our answer is 1 upon 3. Now next number 3, 24 upon 36. So first we have to take the HCF of 24. In 2 table when 24 will come, 2 12s are 24, then 2 6s are 12, then 2 3s are 6, then 3 1s are 3. Now for 36, in 2 table when 36 will come, we will divide and see. 2 1s are 2, so 3 minus 2 1, so this 6 we will carry down, so it will become 16. So in 2 table when 16 will come, 2 8s are 16, so 2 18s are 36. Now in 2 table when 18 will come, 2 9s are 18. Now 9 will come in 3 table, so 3 3s are 9, then 3 1s are 3. Now we will write the factors for 24. So 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. Now for 36, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. Now we have to find out the common factors. So common factors 2, 2 and 3. So we will write here 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So which number we will divide 24 and 36 in numerator and denominator to make a simplest form, that is 12. Now we will divide 24 upon 36 divided by, in numerator also by 12 and in denominator also by 12. Now in 12 table when 24 will come, yes, 12 2s are 24, and in 12 table when 36 will come, 12 3s are 36. So our answer simplest form is 2 upon 3. Now number 4, 21 upon 49. So first we will take the HCF for 21. So 21 in ones place, which digit is there? 1. It is an odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. So now we will move to 3 table. In 3 table 21 will come. Yes, 3 7s are 21. Then 7 will come in 7 table. 7 1s are 7. Now for 49 we have to take the HCF. So 49 will come in 7 table. 7 7s are 49. Then 7 1s are 7. Now we have to write the factors for 21. So 3 multiply by 7. Now for 49, 7 multiply by 7. So now we have to find out the common factor. So common factors equal to, which are common factors? 7. Only one number, 7. So we will write here common factor 7. So which number we will divide in 21 and 49 to make a simplest form? That is 7. So in 21 upon 49 we will divide 7 in numerator and 7 in denominator. So in 7 table when 21 will come, yes, 7 3s are 21, means we will divide and see 21, 7 in 7 table when 21 will come, 7 3s are 21. So 21 minus 21 we will get 0. Now in 7 table when 49 will come, 7 7s are 49. So we will write here 7. So simplest form of 21 upon 49 is 3 upon 7.